So welcome friends, if you are wondering VidIQ Keyword Research versus Google Keyword Planner, whether you should use VidIQ or Keyword Planner for your YouTube SEO keyword research, then this video brings everything for you in order to select VidIQ or Google Keyword Planner or both. Okay, in this video we are going to use both of these tools and finalize which one suits our requirements and the needs. So you can see VidIQ is dedicated only for YouTube keyword research and YouTube growth, while Google Keyword Planner is not for keyword research for YouTube, but it does work for YouTube keyword research. What Google Keyword Planner is, it is keyword tool for advertisers to select particular keyword and target particular keyword for their business to get ranked in search engine of Google. For PPC, they are paying to rank for particular keywords, and they find their keywords using Google Keyword Planner from ads.google.com/aw/Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so we will find which one suits. For example, if you are a YouTuber and want to know about how you should use Keyword Planner or VidIQ, then the very first of all, I'll select a keyword right here. For example, I have come to VidIQ. You will find VidIQ in description of this video, so sign up for free account. I recommend you to try it for 1 month for paid plan. Okay, at least pro plan, not if not boost, because that will help you know more about SEO and the keyword research of with YouTube. Okay, for example, I will type a particular keyword, home decor. For example, you can see this shows me some matrices right here. Search volume 107k, it means search volume is pretty high. Then competition is also high, 67%. Then overall score is 58. It determines overall score by combining search volume and the competition, and it gives us overall search score. 58 is medium. This is not good. If it falls in this green, then this would be better. If it falls in this color, it would be best. But this does not, VidIQ does not show particular. For example, this does not show home decor keyword in Spain, in particular country. For example, I want to target Spain, then how can I know about any country? I want to know about any country like Spain, then I don't have any filter right here to filter out there for a particular country. While if you come to Google Keyword Planner and type and discover new keywords, and then type home decor, and then search, get results, then tap at this Google button and then Google and search partners, because if you search only select Google, then YouTube will not be included in this keyword research method. So you have to select Google and search partners, because in search partners YouTube is there. Okay, YouTube is search partner of Google. So just tap at these both, and from these just tap at keyword view, not group view. Okay, then I have an option to select country like United States. Okay, I can select any country, for example Spain, Italy, United Kingdom, India, Pakistan, Australia. I can select Canada, any country around the world. But in VidIQ I don't have any option of like. So you can see all these, but the demerit of Google Keyword Planner is that I have Google and I don't have just search partners. I have to rely on keywords for Google and search partners. This particular VidIQ shows keywords for only YouTube, but this don't have a particular filter to filter out any particular country, whereas Google Keyword Planner has particular country filter but doesn't have filter for selecting only YouTube as a search engine. So we have to select both Google and search engines and rely on the results. So this is the method, and also this shows us competition. For example, competition, search volume and competition, but this doesn't shows me any competition. This competition is not for you. Okay, this is for PPC. For example, if someone wants to target this interior design near me on Google, for example in St. Louis, then he have to spend some money, and for that spending to rank top of Google or YouTube, he has to look at this competition column. For example, if this competition column is high, it means he needs more money to spend in order to get ranked on first page of or top of Google or YouTube for this particular keyword. Like wall art is very popular and very high competition. He needs at least 164 or 0.8 rupee, $0.8 per click. So this is very high. So I would say you should use both to finalize a keyword. So my final thoughts are that you should use both of these. For example, I will find a keyword, pampas grass detour. I will copy this keyword and then paste it right here. Then just I'll be entering, and let's wait for some seconds. Yeah, you can see this is very good. Overall score is high. It means I can easily rank for this particular keyword. Competition is very low, so find keywords from home decor for a particular country, in your niche for a particular country, then analyze that keyword in vidIQ whether it's perfect fit for YouTube or not, then finalize that keyword. So this is the best method to use, whether you should use vidIQ versus Google Keyword Planner. So find vidIQ in description of this video, and also use SEMrush if you want to rank on Google as well. So thanks for watching this video.